Hi, this is Deepak Dinkas and friends, after a long time I am going to upload this video on my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be talking about Constitution Day. Today India is celebrating Constitution Day. So friends, let me tell you something about a little bit about our Constitution. So on 26th November 1949, Constitution of India had been adopted by the Constituent Assembly, and it came into force on 26 January 1950. So it is most important day for us, and it would be better to know about our constitution, because if you are living in a democratic country, then you must have knowledge about your constitution, what your constitution is saying to you. Okay, so this is most important topic, and in this video I will be talking about. So I'm not going to talk it from the perspective of constitution and from the perspective of politics. I'm just going to put my knowledge on these topics. So I'm going to pick three words of preamble of the Indian Constitution, that is liberty, fraternity and equality. So on three words I will be talking. So according to us, what should be exact meaning of liberty? What is liberty? According to me, liberty should be, in our especially if I talk about our village or our society, then there are so many differences. People are not living in full of liberty. They don't know what is liberty. So it is our work to let them understand what is liberty. And second thing is fraternity. So fraternity is one of the most important things. It creates a strong bond among us. So fraternity is most important thing according to perspective of the society, to live in the society. Okay, and the third one is equality. That is most painful issue of Indian society. India has been trying to remove such kind of mindset from the society, but it is still remain in our society. Don't know when India will get rid of inequality. This is most important thing. So if you are a progressive citizen of this country, then you have to work on that. If you are belonging to a higher class, or if you are belonging to a lower class, then it's your duty to bring them together. It's your duty to bring them together and make a strong bond, to create a strong fraternity by removing inequality. Okay, so this should be our intention to implement in our society. And so that is all I wanted to tell you something about. And because I am not fully prepared on this topic, I am just talking whatever comes in my mind. I am just delivering it. So don't take it, if there is something mistake, then correct in comment section, and I will be glad to read your comments. And of course, Deepak, once again, happy Constitution Day. Jai Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, and all the freedom fighters. Let's salute them. Okay, don't think bad about our freedom fighters, because of they had sacrificed. Otherwise India would not have been in the situation where we are living. Remember it. Jai Hind once again.